If you've ever opened Microsoft Word and noticed the Draw tab sitting right there in the ribbon when you don't need it, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the Draw tab from the ribbon in Word in the simplest way possible. This is a quick customization trick that can help clean up your workspace, reduce clutter, and make Word feel a little more streamlined if you don't use drawing tools often. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Word tips. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look up to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will open the Backstage menu, where you can access the main program settings. From there, scroll down and click Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where you can customize different parts of the program, including the ribbon, the toolbar, and various display settings. Inside the Word Options window, look at the menu on the left side and select Customize Ribbon. This section controls which tabs appear across the top of your Word window. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of tabs with checkboxes next to them. These are the tabs currently enabled in the ribbon. Find the Draw option in that list. If the box next to Draw is checked, that means the tab is currently visible in Word. Now, simply click the checkbox next to Draw to uncheck it. This tells Word that you want to hide the Draw tab from the ribbon. After that, go down to the bottom of the window and click OK to save your changes. Word will apply the new ribbon layout immediately, and the Draw tab should disappear from the top menu. If you don't see the change right away, don't worry. Sometimes you may need to close and reopen Word for the ribbon to refresh properly. Once you reopen it, you should notice that the Draw tab is no longer showing. That means the customization worked successfully. This is especially useful if you're using Word for typing, editing documents, or working on professional files and want a cleaner interface. Removing tabs you don't use can make it easier to focus on the tools you actually need. And if you ever want the Draw tab back later, you can follow the same steps again, go back into Customize Ribbon, and recheck the Draw box. So just to quickly recap, the steps are File, Options, Customize Ribbon, uncheck Draw, and then click OK. That's all it takes to remove the Draw tab from the ribbon in Word. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy Word tutorials, and share this with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.